सो ये भी इम्पोर्टेंट है कि हम लोग जब डिजाइन करते हैं हम वास्तु भी ध्यान में रखते हैं, यानी हम बताते नहीं है बट मैं वास्तु को थोड़ा फॉलो करता हूँ कि डायरेक्शन भी इम्पोर्टेंट होती है लाइफ में.
That's where Sattva came into existence.
So again, the Sattva automation name, Sattva name was given by my wife. So Sattva is basically essence of anything. So ये backward integration भी हमने बहुत.
You know, it's when you leave your house and you're not certain your house is not secured. So mentally, when you have your mind there, you're virtually not the perfect guy which you left the house as.
लाइटिंग लर्न कर लिया हमने. लाइटिंग कैसा होता है, व्हाट टाइप्स ऑफ लाइटिंग इज देयर, व्हाट कलर टेम्परेचर इट इज, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ लाइटिंग शुड बी देयर इन डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ सिनारियोज. बोर्ड रूम में कैसा होना चाहिए, लिविंग रूम में कैसा होना चाहिए, बेडरूम में कैसा होना चाहिए, आपके स्टडी एरिया में कैसा होना चाहिए, आपकी लॉबी में कैसा होना चाहिए, इफ इट्स अ कमर्शियल प्लेस उसमें कैसा होना चाहिए. सो लाइटिंग जो है इट्स अगेन अ वेरी गुड साइंस. इट इज अ साइंस. आई वुड से लाइटिंग इज अ साइंस. इट्स नॉट अगेन अ प्रोडक्ट. इफ यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड लाइटिंग देन लाइटिंग कंट्रोल आप कैसा करोगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, if it's a big house, you're moving out of the house. So lighting, when you're moving out of the house, so entrance of the lighting should be very much bright. In terms of Vastu also, but in Vastu का मतलब क्या? Vastu is way of life.
Yeah.
So आप घर के बाहर जब जा रहे हो, अगर घर के सामने रोशनी नहीं है, right? So our ancestors had a very good thinking of all this.
दिए जलाते थे पहले जमाने में, बाहर उजाला रखते थे. Welcome to another episode of the Law Guru Show, where we explore minds who are quietly reshaping the future. Today's episode is not just about technology. It's about how technology seamlessly, gets into design and architecture. Well, today's a very interesting day. Today I'm not your host. Today we have somebody more exciting. The owner of Hans and Harrison himself, Mr. Mangmonga. He's going to be a host today. One, talking to Mr. Kshitij Diyogar, founder and director of Sattva Automation. So guys, check it out. Another very exciting episode of the Law Guru Show. This home automation, when you started, wasn't a thing where everybody wanted to get into.
It was a niche market.
Very, very limited people knew about it, right? So how did you get into this?
So I will tell you about my story. I am from Nagpur, a very small two-tier city. And so my origin started from engineering. I'm an engineer from my education. I come from a family which is basically into government jobs and all. No one was in business. So there was no background as such that I would have come into the business and all. But my journey was started in such a manner that my sales and rejection ratio of the sales was like very strong. So whatever I did initially in my career, it was like always a frustrating kind of thing for me. For example, when I did my engineering, I didn't got the perfect MBA college to work on. So I opted for a government job. So 2.5 years I did a government job. So there again I was not satisfied with the things were going around and all. So वहाँ से मैंने MBA, I did my MBA from Mumbai. MBA करने के बाद there was a recession. Recession जब आया तो there was no job. So whatever came in my kitty at that time, the first placement was done for me only. So पहला placement was insurance. So I started my career from Reliance Life Insurance as a brand. Reliance just entered into insurance segment, capital segment. So I got the opportunity to work with them. So in Reliance, I learned sales, pure sales, and ऊपर से segment was insurance, which was again at a very nascent stage. It was no one knew about insurance because LIC was the only player, for example. So there I understood that what is rejection. Out of 100, 99 people will reject you. Convincing a person to buy insurance again is art. So that art is most important to understand that how. So that's where. So my dots were all connected basically. So my career started from insurance. And I'm thankful to the God that I sold insurance in my start of the career because I know the psyche of the customer, that what he needs. It's not only about the product, it's more important to understand that what is he thinking about. And what is his need basically? Need, desire, fear and frustration are the things which needs to be understood from the client. And then you bring him to the platform where he and you have one level of language. So that's where I learned from from insurance. Then I started training the corporate agents, not the individual agents, corporate agents. So at a time, I used to train 2,500 people at one go with a mic
For
and all.
insurances?
Yeah, for insurance. So India Infoline was one of the good client to me where I was doing the training for them. There were people who were 25 years of experience in selling equity and all other stuff, but they were hesitant to sell insurance again because insurance is a tough product to sell. So I made a framework of myself and I trained them that how you can change the equation. That's helped them to do sales of insurance, and they were earning good margins, good salaries, and all those, and everyone was happy with that. Then over a period of time, I thought that no, this is not my career. I would like to go because this was something which I wanted for survival. So later on, after that, I joined a elevator company. I sold elevators, electromechanical segment. I entered. I sold because of the insurance background. I was very aggressive. And selling elevators was a cake. I mean, it's a cakewalk for me. Because पहले I used to sell ideas. यहाँ पे तो physical product है. Once I get a physical product in hand, there is nothing to. I mean, there is no reason not to sell that, unless until there is a market collapse or something like that. But if the product is there, A, B, C, D category, nothing will matter to me. So elevators, that company was also very nascent in India. They merged with some Indian company and they just entered and they wanted to excel in sales of elevators. So I started selling elevators and it was like a huge success for me in 1 year only. But again, it was an electromechanical. I'm an electrical engineer by my choice, by my education. So by my choice, I wanted to get into pure electrical thing. And that's where I got an opportunity to work with Legrand. So Legrand MCB, DBs, AC, switchgears and all switches. वहाँ से मेरा career start हुआ and there I got an opportunity to work on a home automation segment. Again, it was a new segment. They wanted somebody who can sell it.
This is around 2014, if I'm not wrong.
Not 2014, it will be 2012, 12, 10, 11, 12, 10, 2010, 11 की बात है. So 10, 11 में then it excited me because through a phone the lights were switching on and off. It was very new and it was a magic for me. ये हुआ कैसे? Then मैं थोड़ा सा core में गया and then I started working on that thing and I was given that as a segment along with the other products. So again, 80-20 principle. People were doing 80% of the switchgears and 20% को भूल जाते थे. मेरा रिवर्स था. Home automation, I started doing selling more. वो तो बाकी के प्रोडक्ट्स वो आराम से बिक जाते थे because वो तो already hot selling था. इसको सेल करना was a difficult part. And again, if I have a product idea with me, I can sell it. So I got the opportunity to sell home automation lighting control product of BT Chino. Okay. So that was again a company which entered India and they wanted to understand. And idea of selling this came to picture when I started making integrators. Basically, a company. This product is not a product which can be like jao lagao ho gaya. You need someone intelligent to do that.
You have to integrate everything together in one platform.
So integrating and also understanding the product is the gist of this whole thing. So wahan pe I found that there is a gap between a product quality and installation quality. So product to hai, customer bhi hai, अच्छा भी customer hai, product bhi अच्छा hai. There is in between, there is something which is integration quality. Wahan pe my mind thought ki, something should be there in between. And that's where I found the opportunity that this can be done very much better as compared to them. So my philosophy was like show the client what he is going to experience. And I never called my experience center a demo center or a showroom. I always call it as an experience center. It is the experience that the client will buy, not the product, right? So my first showroom was in a 2 BHK apartment, rented. And that's where we did whole integration of the lighting control product. Customer used to come, see, and then buy it. That's how we used to sell automation around 14 years back. And that's where the journey started for home automation.
That's where Sattva came into existence.
So again, the Sattva automation name was given by my wife. So Sattva is basically essence of anything.
I was going to ask you, yes, what does Sattva mean?
Sattva means, Sattva is earth, essence of energy. So this is a combination of energies only, right? You have power, you have got Wi-Fi, you have got, so combination of energies is Sattva. And that's where we create the magic of things working, talking to each other.
Yes.
Yeah, that's how things start. So this is how Sattva started in 2012, and the journey is still going on that way.
For curiosity point of view, you're almost doing 300 plus projects till now. So what is the way you've decided that Sattva will be becoming and coming into a recognized luxury brand?
Correct. So the philosophy or the idea and vision was always to do the best product in the market. We have a policy that we'll first understand the product. What are the do's and don'ts of the product? So whenever our approach is of the don'ts, what you should not do. And that's where everything comes into place.
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
we first understand what should not be done in anything. We follow that, and all things are automatically on place.
I'll probably add to one of my experiences.
Yeah.
I think, because initial part of my learning, I was working with one of the top lawyers of India. So he would always tell me, Umang, you don't have to see where you will be successful or where you'll be winning the case. Make sure you cover your losses or the points which will go make you uncomfortable.
Correct.
So, so those don'ts are very important.
Yes.
A lot of people just focus, हम कहाँ से बहुत अच्छा कर देंगे, स्केल कर देंगे, जहाँ से लूज करेंगे, जहाँ से those don'ts are very important.
जहाँ पे लीकेजेस है उसी को
Leakages है,
फॉलो करेंगे
yes.
आप. So वही philosophy पे हम लोग काम करते हैं, and that's how things should happen in every aspect of the life. Is that don't do anything which will create a problem. So all things come automatically on place. So we understood the product. We never use a product which will not work. If it's not working, we will give feedback to the OEM that this is something which you need to take care, and if that is solved, we will do the right one. So it's always about choosing the right product for the customer that you're looking for. Every product cannot match the customer. Customers are A, B, C, D. You should have A, B, C, D category of products.
So you customize a lot of products to the customer's choices.
Yes. So our philosophy, the four phase framework for us is custom, design, build, and support. This is how we work on.
Custom, design, build, and support.
Yes.
Fantastic.
So customization, understanding the product, we design the product, design the solution with the product for the client, and we build it, and then we support. We take the whole onus of supporting the product, the solution that we are making. So this is how automation should work on. And the products which are there. So every 6 months there is a development in the product. So you have to keep yourself updated also with the technology, with everything. That's how.
I believe you've been taking a lot of time in educating your customers.
Yes.
How do you do that? Because that's quite important.
So the best way to educate a customer is to make him learn himself, make him learn himself. So my experience center is a learning center basically for the client. So he comes, it is like a house. It is not like a showroom or a demo center.
Okay.
So whenever he comes, he will feel like a house, a living room, a bedroom, a study area. It will be proper like a house. Because again, when we started doing automation, it was a new thing. And people were skeptical about ये चलता नहीं है, महंगा है. So point वो था कि पहले कस्टमर को बताना है कि ठीक है महंगा है, and it was expensive at that time. But for every product there is a market in India. India की beauty है कि for every product there is a market. So उस time पे the rejection ratio was a bit high because of the price, and it was new. And there was a trust and credibility issue. So वो time भी अच्छा था, अभी का time भी अच्छा है. Now people are more aware. People know about the product. People know what automation is, and there are competitor friends are there. So everybody is educating to the client. So that's how things are evolving in automation segment.
Very fascinating. I must say, very, very fascinating. Okay, I one thing I found is your experience centers is you spend a lot of time. You go through those personal things. How much time do you invest there, like in terms of doing those and building those experience centers? Because I understand now there are more than 3.
Yes.
Right now.
So the idea or the way to do is like first you imagine that it is your own house. You know the technology. So if you are using the product, how easily it should be usable to you. That's how you will always design. So basically, interiors and all, it should gel with your automation. It should not be overdo of things, basically. So automation was a luxury. Now it is a necessity.
Oh, yes.
So you cannot expect that a house without automation today will work, because see, at the in nascent stage, uh, lights were there. पहले फिलामेंट लाइट था, फिर बाद में एलईडी आया. एलईडी वगैरह भी उसमें भी ओरिजिन हो रहा है. स्विचेस जो थे पहले वो नॉर्मल ब्लैक कलर के स्विचेस थे. उसके बाद अभी डिजिटल स्विचेस आए हैं. सो थिंग्स विल ये ऑब्सोल्यूट हो जाएगा ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. So upgradation of the houses are important. If you are buyer, if customer has bought a house now, he is buying the house or he is going to stay the house minimum for 10 years. So we, in our custom solution, we ensure that the product or the solution that we're giving is upgradable for next 15 years.
Fantastic.
So that's the philosophy wherein 15 years तक भी client को कुछ upgrade करना है, it should be easily upgradable.
That's a very nice cue.
Yes. So that is important in a solution that has to be designed. And customer will understands what we are going to give him and how things are going to benefit him. So it's a combination of understanding the lighting, because lighting makes a lot of difference unknowingly to you. So right now, for example, as we are doing the postcard, we need this kind of color lights, right? But when it comes to casual talk, this color temperature should be different and the intensity of light should be different.
Yeah.
Because we are talking with our mind. We are not talking just for, just a podcast.
Yeah.
So it's very important that your mind is at the right level position, and lights make the most important thing in that. So lighting design, again, it's a art. That's a different story. So when we do the solution, we also think that what are the other factors which will matter to us. Because again, we as a company have to survive in terms of the competition friends. So lighting also is something which you have learned a lot. Lighting learn कर लिया हमने. Lighting कैसा होता है? What types of lighting is there? What color temperature it is? What kind of lighting should be there in different kind of scenarios? बोर्ड रूम में कैसा होना चाहिए, लिविंग रूम में कैसा होना चाहिए, बेडरूम में कैसा होना चाहिए, आपके स्टडी एरिया में कैसा होना चाहिए, आपकी लॉबी में कैसा होना चाहिए, इफ इट्स अ कमर्शियल प्लेस उसमें कैसा होना चाहिए. So lighting जो है, it's again a very good science. It is a science. I would say lighting is a science. It's not again a product. If you don't understand lighting, then lighting control आप कैसा करोगे? So ये backward integration भी हमने बहुत किया.
नहीं, बहुत important है. In fact, coming to this, when you're talking about lighting, I'm talking about security because I'm a security guy. So somebody recently was talking about this. It's when you leave your house and you're not certain their house is not secured. So mentally, when you have your mind there, you're virtually not the perfect guy which you left the house as.
Correct.
So like lighting, security, all of these things
are interconnected.
Are interrelated. Like you say, now they're talking to each other.
So when it comes to lighting design, as you said that you are into security, I would say that for example, if it's a big house, you're moving out of the house. So lighting, when you're moving out of the house, so entrance of the lighting should be very much bright. In terms of Vastu also, but in Vastu का मतलब क्या? Vastu is way of life.
Yeah.
So आप घर के बाहर जब जा रहे हो, अगर घर के सामने रोशनी नहीं है,
right, agreed.
So our ancestors had a very good thinking of all this.
दिए जलाते थे पहले जमाने में, बाहर उजाला रखते थे.
So वो भी इम्पोर्टेंट है कि आपका जब सिक्योरिटी एरिया है, इट शुड बी वेल लिट. अगर वो अंधेरे में रहेगा, सो वही है कि बैक ऑफ द माइंड अनकॉन्शियसली उसको नहीं पता रहेगा जब वो निकल रहा है घर के बाहर तो क्या चीजें आएगी. सो ये भी इम्पोर्टेंट है कि हम लोग जब डिजाइन करते हैं हम वास्तु भी ध्यान में रखते हैं. यानी हम बताते नहीं है, बट मैं वास्तु को थोड़ा फॉलो करता हूँ कि डायरेक्शन भी इम्पोर्टेंट होती है लाइफ में. नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स अ साइंस, अगेन इट्स लॉजिकल साइंस. So wherever there is a logic, we follow that logic, and that's how we learn. That's how it is.
And to our listeners, if you've really enjoyed this conversation, well, don't be selfish. Share with your friends and family who would love to know more about these topics and who like to live smarter, not harder. Well, this is Sachin Khurana signing off with Mr. Umang Monga from the Law Guru Show.